Okay, SoCal bee removal and relocation. I've loosened the cap to the cinder block wall here, and we're just going to smoke these bees inside here, and then we're going to just gently lift up this cap here. You can see there's a beehive right there. Live removal by Beekeeper. Nice hive inside the wall. Another Floyd Beekeeper. Another hive in the wall. Live removal every time. We don't just start stirring the bees up and, oh no, they're Africanized killer bees, we gotta kill the bees. Oh no. We don't do that. We do live removal every time. If they're aggressive, live removal. If they're not aggressive, live removal. Like and subscribe.